Hi ho, it's off to town I go.
De eerste druppels vallen.
Lovely weather.
Nee.
Walking into town. Bit of a wishy-washy day, but it's warm. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch Kiwi. I received an email and it said that my order has arrived and I could come and pick it up. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And it's just a lovely day for a walk. And I'm now in town, so I'm now going to walk in that direction. And it's a surprise sort of a day today. All these stones have been here for a long time, but they're not all even, and tree roots keep stumbling. The steps I go. Nearing my destination, and now I'm on the bus. I'm going home. I'm not walking. I've walked 5k already and it's hot. I'm on my way home. What's in my bag? Nearly home. Then I'm going to put my feet up, have a long cold drink. And I'm privileged. I'm going to take the lift. I normally take the stairs, but today I've walked enough. Now I know you're all keen to see what it is that I've bought. Well, you'll just have to wait, won't you? Hello, I'm home. Curious about what's in the bag? Do you really want to know? Well, here I go. Let's see if this works. It's a heavy box. It's a white box. Ooh, look at that box. Well, well, well. Christmas came early this year, so I've got to open it from there. Now I'm home alone, so I'm going to now put the phone down and I'll just open the box. Right, the sticky bit is off. And here it is. Oh my goodness. The Big Apple. So here it is. And here's my cable. And I'm assuming here's the plug. Yes, it is. Well, what more can a girl want? Right. Whoa. It's all happening. I couldn't have done this alone. My supercomputer man, he came and gave us a hand, and then we sat outside and just watched the most amazing sunset. And here I am in my woman cave with my new MacBook. Now, it took all night to transfer the files and things. I went to bed and I woke up and it was all done. So happy days here. So I will now proceed to sort out some of my files that I really need to get rid of. I tried to yesterday, but it just too big a job. So I'm going to have fun, and I hope to have a little bit more consistency with my time online. And of course, I've got to learn all sorts of new things which this computer can do. So it's back to the drawing board for me to find out what all the new little fidgety bits are all about, and to get my videos online again. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around. I've got so much more I want to share with you.